She would try over and over again to be friends with me, and I was too ashamed to hang out with her. When she came into the studio, I was still crying and she was not. And she was like, you're gonna be okay. Call me, here's my number. Eventually she called me on my shit. She was like, you're hiding. And I was like, I am hiding, I'm totally hiding. It was this beautiful, I think, very healing process for me. Anything that you feel chains you, like any pop cultural construct that you feel you have to live up to, I'd like you to please forget about it and be yourself.
Las celebridades como nunca antes las viste. Descarga ViX y disfruta de miles de películas, series y contenido exclusivo, siempre gratis.